Today I thought I would show you a little science trick that you could do to maybe cheer your mum up or your sister or perhaps your dad or uncle, anyone who likes to wear silver jewellery really. Because when we wear silver jewellery, the grease on our fingers or the sweat that's coming out of your skin makes them go a funny colour. We call it tarnished. Alright, so this is where they are shiny. Alright, so you can see the shiny silver there. But this one has gone tarnished. You can see it's gone like a browny grey colour, and that means that it's oxidised. So the silver's become oxidised. So we need to get that oxidised layer off so that we can get our shiny silver back again. So we've got some silver jewellery here that's been kept together and has gone tarnished. So what we're going to do is we're going to get that layer off. So what we need is some aluminium foil. We put the aluminium foil into a plastic bowl or just a normal breakfast bowl, it doesn't really matter, okay? And we just make sure that that's completely sealed. We need a bicarb of soda, like we often do in our chemistry experiments. We need a spoon for our bicarb, and we need some hot water. So that's boiled and I've let it cool down a little bit. So make sure that you get your parents to help you or an older sibling to help you if you're going to be using that hot water. So all we do, okay, is we just put the hot water into the bowl and then we add our jewellery. Okay, so I'll put the rings in and the necklace in. Now nothing will happen in that hot water. Alright, so you can see a few bubbles come off because it's in the hot water, but nothing's really happening. So what we're going to do to get the reaction to actually take place is add our bicarb of soda. Now the heat in the water will make carbon dioxide bubbles. So you can see all those carbon dioxide bubbles there. Just stir your jewellery around a little bit, okay? You can add more bicarb to get more bubbles. Okay, and that carbon dioxide will clean the oxide layer off the outside of the jewellery, and you'll end up with really shiny silver jewellery to wear again. So if we have a look at some of it, let's see if it's worked. Okay, let's get the necklace out. So be really careful obviously taking it out because it's been in hot water. So if we take that necklace out, we're going to just dry it off here, and you can see that that is now shiny silver necklace. All right, let's try one of the rings. That was very dirty. This was the dirtiest. That's not quite gone silver yet. These have. So if we take these out, you can see the difference. Right, I'll put some more bicarb in to clean off that really dirty one. You may need a little bit more hot water just to get the reaction going. But if I put these rings down, see the difference now. Let's take that dirty one out if it's still dirty. It's still not quite clean, but it's a lot dirty. It's a lot cleaner, sorry, than it was. And the diamonds in it are now sparkling. Okay, so look at the difference now compared to how they were before. So your parents will absolutely love that. All right, how to clean silver jewellery cheaply at home. Lovely little chemistry trick. All right, no horrible ingredients needed, not nasty for the environment. A little bit of bicarb and a little bit of hot water. All right, hope you enjoyed that. See you soon.